Ndị be anyị kwen. Ndị be anyị kwen. Ay, ndị be anyị kwezono. Welcome back to my channel. No, ndị be anyị. No, ndị be anyị na channel mu n'ụbọchị tata. Ụbọchị tata bụkwa video dịkwa ka nke ndị ọzọ, nke ahụ m meburu eri izuụka na-abụ. Unu si na unu hụrụ ya n'anya nke ukwuu. Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. This is yet another video like I did previously, the Igbo vlog, and you guys said you love that video so much, and I'm happy that you love it. Remember I said it's my channel, but it's your show. Yes, what you like is what I'm going to be bringing more on this channel. Yes, I introduced the last time freestyle Igbo learning. I said I was the first person to start using that name, and I'm very happy to be the first. So anyway you hear freestyle Igbo learning, just remember IGBOTIC no on YouTube. The person has stolen my name. The person has stolen my name, and the person has stolen my idea, and I can prove to you I am the first person to start to do Igbo vlog. Share me guys. I do Igbo vlogs on this channel. I take you guys along with me for my day, and I speak Igbo. Yes, I'm the first to do it. Anybody you see that is doing it copied IGBOTIC no. Ndị be anyị, onye ọbụla ịhụrụ mewere video na-egosi ka ụbọchị ya dị na-asụ Igbo. Ọ na-aka m ka o si mụta ya. Abụ m onye izizi n'ime Igbo vlog, na-eme ihe ndị na-eme n'ụlọ, na-asụ Igbo, na-eduru unu na-eje, anyị na-asụ Igbo wee na-eje. Ọ mụ bụ onye izizi. Yes, and on this channel I also of course on this channel I bring in other things, normal sit down Igbo learning and stuff like that. So guys, ụbọchị tata bụkwa video dịka ibe ya. Video na Igbo vlog nke dịka ibe ya. Aga m edu unu gaa ihe ndị nchọgasịrị ime n'ụbọchị tata. Ụbọchị tata ihe ndị nchọgasịrị ime, onwegịkwana ihe ndị nchọrọ ime dịka iriri nne nke ukwuu. Mmedu unu kịta nụ anyị jee mee nni ngeri, mecha nni ngeri mụnụ na-esoro rie ya. Anyị na-eri, anyị na-akpa nkata, na-agwa unu ka ụbọchị m dị. Onwekwa ka ụbọchị unu dị, unu agwụkwa m na comment section ka ụbọchị unu dị. Unu edebanye ebe ahụ ka ụbọchị unu dị. Ngwanụ ka anyị jebe ka anyị si eje. Anyị ga-eje kịta na usekwu. Anyị ga-eje n'usekwu ugbu a. Mee nri ngeli, mmecha nri ngeli. Anyị na-erizi ya, anyị na-akọzi. Unu anụgo? Ngwanụ ka anyị jebe. Abịago m na usekwu. Asị m unu ka anyị jee n'usekwu. Abịago m n'usekwu. Ife m chọrọ ili bụ osikapa. Achọrọ m ili osikapa na ofe akwụ. Ezigbote nni ndị Igbo. Achọrọ m ili osikapa na ofe akwụ. I don't know. I want to eat rice and banga soup. Yes, that's what I just said. If you enjoy me eating the banga soup, or if you want to know how to cook the banga soup, let me know down in the comment section and I will show you guys. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịmụta ka asi esi ofe akwụ, debanye n'okpuru ebe a na-ede ife ọdịde ka m weta ya. Maka na m bụ onye nweta nke ikwukọ nweta, mana isekwa nweta isi adị m eweta. Ndo. Okay, just taking from the bowl already refrigerated. Ma ife bụ ife a. Ube oyibo. Kedu ife m na-eme ugbu a? Akwụ m ọtọ. Ana m eri nri. Akwụ m ọtọ. Ana m eri nri. Kedu ife m na-eme kịta? Etuku m ana. Kedu ife m na-eme kịta? Etuku m ana. Ana m eli ife. Ana m eri nri. Etuku m ana. Ana m eri nri. Ana m eri osikapa na ofe akwụ. Ofe akwụ. Apple is palm kernel, so it's palm kernel soup. You also call it banga soup. Ana m eri nri. Ana m eri osikapa na ofe akwụ. Nri nke atọka. Nri nke a bụ so ụtọ. Nri nke a bụ so ụtọ. Iko mmanya. Ana m aṅụ mmanya. I'm drinking juice or anything. Ana m aṅụ mmanya, just a general name. Ana m aṅụ mmanya. Ndị be anyị, kedu ka unu mere? Enwere m ohere n'ụlọ ahụ vidio ndị nke m na-emegasị n'anya. Chetakwa idebanye yana ịhụ vidio n'anya, ebe a na-ahụ ya n'anya. Echefukwana idebanye aha gị, subscribe yana ịhụ ya n'anya, give it a thumbs up ka vidio wee rute ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ. Kekwala ya ndị mmadụ share biko. Ama m na ịchọ ka ọ bụghị na-eri nne mana dị m awọ njọ. Bịa lie nri. Dị m awọ njọ, bịa lie nri. Dị m awọ njọ. Bịa lie nri. Unu na-akwadokwa ekeresimesi. Ekeresimesi eluwego. Na-akwadokwa ekeresimesi. Ndị natas. Guys, in my next video, I don't know, put that in the comment section. I want to do a video. You know, Christmas is around the corner, and most of our chicks from outside the country are coming back. Likewise, our men. If you want to see a video, if you want me to do a video on how you're going to compose yourself as Igbo, and the Igbo things you'll be doing to attract that man, because most of these men that came back abroad to marry, they have a reason. No, most of them want to marry Igbo person that knows how to speak Igbo. Yeah, most of them want to marry Igbo person that knows how to speak Igbo. Because if they wanted to marry any person that can speak any language, they could have married from there now. Most of them come back look for a wife. It doesn't even matter if you're ugly, anyhow you are. Because some people say people are ugly. Me, I don't believe anybody's ugly. I believe people are fine according to, you know. I understand. But you understand what I'm saying? You came back to look for Mada Igbo, Masi Igbo. Ko we na so ụmụ ha. Ma ha no mu ụmụ. Ko ụmụ ha we mara asụ Igbo. Onye mere o ji bata. Ọ batara ịchọ nwaanyị ka ọ nụ onye na-asụ asọpụrụ sọpụrụ. Ọ mụ ọchọ ndị na-asụ asọpụrụ sọpụrụ, ọnụ ndị na-asụ asọpụrụ sọpụrụ ebe ahụ. Nwe ya na-abata ebe ime. Ịchọ vidio, ịchọ ka mmerụ na vidio. Oto unu ga-esi wee kwado onwe unu asị nwaada Igbo ma unu na-abata. Nwoke ahụ na-abatakwa fu unu ọsala ọkọ. Ọbakwa na-asụ gị Igbo na-asụ ya oyibo. Ọbakwa na-asụ gị Igbo na-asụ ya oyibo. A na-asụ gị Igbo na-asụ ya Igbo maka na ụmụ m asụ Igbo ahụ ka ọ maka ị ga-asụ. Nke ihe ọchọ bụ nwaanyị m asụ Igbo. Onye akụ nwaanyị ndị be na-ada. That is what we Igbo girls fail to understand. You now say you came back to the village after Christmas, nobody. You're the person that caused it. You came back to the village, you met guys, they are speaking Igbo to you, you're speaking English, you want to form gendered. But then that are speaking Igbo, they know how to speak English. Oh. The guys, try what I'm saying. When you go to Christmas this year, when they speak Igbo, reply with Igbo. When you guys start talking, you see they will start speaking English in between your conversations. They know how to speak English. But their mission is to marry a wife that knows how to speak Igbo. So most times they speak Igbo. But when they not speak Igbo to you, they not speak English. And they won't say anything, they will disappear. Because that is not their mission. Mission cancelled. On to the next. If you want to see such video, let me know. Let me know down in the comment section. And I'll bring it up in the hood. Okay guys, I'll be ending this video today there. Hope you enjoyed this video again. As usual, please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, turn on the bell notification to be notified anytime I post a new video. In the comment section also put down the videos you want to see from me and I'll be happy to deliver. Thank you for watching and do have a lovely day. Bye. Hi, beautiful IGBOTIC nonos. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and also turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. On this channel, I teach how to speak Igbo. Yes, because obviously I'm an Igbo girl married to an Igbo man. So I teach how to speak Igbo. My OGs already know. On this channel also, I try to bring in other things like my Igbo vlogs, which I call freestyle Igbo learning Igbo on the go, so that you will know you're learning something. Also, I bring in other things 1 or 2 times, maybe personal fun thing, so that you don't get overwhelmed, or so that you don't feel, or you see my notification, or you see my video drop or your notification bar and you feel this Igbo girl has come again and I'm not ready to learn Igbo today. So because of that, I try to bring in other fun things aside teaching Igbo. Ndebanye, ndewon, ndebanye, ndewon, ndebanye, ndewon, ndebanye, ndewon. Aha m bụ IGBOTIC nono. Aha m bụ IGBOTIC nono. N'ebe a, ana m akụzi Igbo. N'ebe a, ana m akụzi Igbo language maka ndị hụrụ Igbo n'anya nke ukwuu dịka m.
maka ndị hụrụ asụsụ ha n'anya kwa nke ukwuu dịka m. Amara m na ọtụtụ unu chọrọ ịmụta ka a sị asụ Igbo, mana ha enweghị ohere ịmụta ya. Ha enweghịkwanụ ndị ga-akụziri ha. Ọ ya mere m ji wee sị ka m sonye na ndị ga na-akụzikwa asụsụ anya, ka asụsụ anya ghara ịnwụ anwụ, maka na Igbo amaka. Ọ na-atụ m n'anya nke ukwuu. Ị gaa n'ala bekee, ị ga-afụgasị ndị ọzọ sicha obodo dị iche iche nwechara asụsụ dịka ndị Italy, dịka ndị Spain, dịka ndị Germany, dịka ndị Amsterdam, obodo dị iche iche na-abụrụ obodo a na-asụ Igbo dịka UK na US na Australia. Ịgacha ebe ndị dị iche otu a, ị ga-ahụ ha na-asụ obodo ha na-asụ asụsụ ha nọrọgodi na US. Ngwa ka m were US anya megide example. Ha nọ na US, ị ga-aga restọrantị ka ijeli nri, ị ga-eje ebe a na-eri nri ka ijeli nri. Ha gaa n'ebe ahụ, ha na-asụ obodo ha na-asụ ya na-eti mkpu, ha na-asụ ya na-eti mkpu. Ha achọghị ịma ka ị na ihe a na-ekwu, ha achọghị ịma ka ihe a na-ekwu ịhụrụ ya n'anya. Mba, ole ha chọrọ ịma. Ha na-asụ ya na-eti mkpu, ha na-asụ ya na-eti mkpu, ha na-asụ ya na-eti mkpu. Ọkacha ndị China, ndị Chinese, ejikwana ha gụọ egwu, ejikwana ndị Chinese gụọ egwu. Ya bụ ya, ha na-asụ ya ebe a, ma na elevetọ, ma ebe ọbụla ha nọ, ha na-asụ ya. Asụsụ ị na-asụ emeghị gị ka ị ghara ịbụzi asa ogovin, ma ọ bụkwanụ nwa si esi wee bata. Mba, ị ga na-asụ nwa asụsụ gị. Enwere m enyi nwaanyị, inwetụkwa ya n'Igbo ebe ọsụfịa, inwetụkwa ya n'oyibo otu ọsụfịa. Abịakwa n'oyibo, gị nwata na-ada asụ Igbo si n'isi ugwu onwe gị n'oyibo, ị karọkwa ya asụ. Unu fụchakwa ya ebe ị ga-ajụ ya bụ, nne, isi na ịbụ onye Igbo? Nwaanyị ị ga-ajụ. Biko iwe were unu. Akọrọ m ihe ọzọ jebe. Ị na-anya ifu na ebe a dị very 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 quiet. Ọkụ etiro m nnukwu ọkụ. Ebe anyị dị quiet. Ebe a daa jụụ, ebe niile daa jụụ bụ quiet, dara jụụ, quiet. Ya bụ ka itinye ife gị na ntị wee na-ege ife ndị nnachi okwu. Ụbọchị tata m ga-eme ka isi Igbo wee gị n'isi. Ịbụ onye Igbo kịta, onweghị ihe ịmasụ n'Igbo, mana ihe izizi ị ga-amụtagodo bụ kedu aha gị. Kedu aha gị? Mmadụ jụọ gị kedu aha gị, isi aha m bụ Chioma, aha m bụ Chioma. Nne, kedu aha gị? Aha m bụ Chioma. Nne, onye ebee ka ị bụ? Please, my dear, where are you from? Because maka na ị nakwa ekeresimesi nke a na-abịa, ihe a bụgasị ihe ụmụ nwoke ndị si esi wee bata ga na-ajụ ụnụ. Ụmụ nwoke ndị si esi wee bata so n'ife a na-arụ, jikwa ego mma. Ịmaka ndị Igbo anyị si adị, maka ụmụ nwoke ndị Igbo anyị si adị mma, dịkwa oke. Ha ga-ajụ gị n'Igbo ka ha mara ma ị masị Igbo, maka ọ na-ewe ha iwe nke ukwuu. Ha fụ ezigbote nwaada mara mma, asụkwala Igbo sụọ Igbo, asụkwala Igbo sụọ Igbo. Ọ na-ewechacha ha, ọ na-ewe ha iwe nke ukwuu. Anaghị alaike, anaghị ahụ ya n'anya chacha. Ha ga-ebu ụzọ wee chụọ gị ya n'Igbo ka a mara ka ị ma asụ Igbo. Ịsazi ha n'Igbo ka unu na-akpazi na-eje, ị na-anụzi ha na-asụ Igbo, ị na-anụ ha na-asụ Igbo. Ifụkwa na ha ma asụ Igbo, mana ha mara ọma wee kpanyelu gị Igbo ka ha mara ka ị ga-asụkwa Igbo. Ọ bụ na ị sụrụ Igbo asị afụkwa m onye m ga-anụ nwata mara mma na-asụ Igbo, afụkwa onye m ga-anụ ya bụ na ụmụ m ga na-asụ Igbo. Maka ha ka nkụ ga-anata anata ka ha chọọ nwaada mara mma ma asụ Igbo, maka na ha kpọrọ gị pụọ ka ị na-asụ Igbo ka ụmụ ha wee sokwara wee na-asụ Igbo. So ha anataghị ka ha chọọ onye na-asụ Igbo. Ọ bụ na ha na-achọ onye na-asụ Igbo, ebe ahụ ka ha ga-eduru onye na-asụ Igbo. Ha tụwa asụpịrị asụrụ asụpịrị n'ụtụtụ, sụrụ asụpịrị chie jie, sụrụ asụpịrị asụpịrị ghara arụ n'ụlọ. Mana mba, ọ na-ahịa ha arụ ebe ahụ. Ọnya mere ha bata achọta onye na-asụ Igbo. Ị ga-afụkwa enwere m ọnkụl mgbe ahụ bụkwa kịta ọ batara chọọ onye na-asụ Igbo. O nwere nwaanyị nwa mgbe ahụ nka pempe, o nwere nwaanyị nwa ọ chọrọ ịnụ, mana nwaanyị a ụmụachacha mma, mana ọ maghị asụ Igbo chaa, mana ọ na-anụ mana ọ maghị asụ. Anụ nkụrụ m alaiki chachacha nwaanyị a, mana ọ sị mba na ọ chọrọ onye ga na-asụ Igbo na-asụrụ onwe ya, maka na nkụrụ m anụ onye ọzọ. Ma aghọtara m ihe gbasara m ka pere ezigbo mpe. Agwakwa gị nka ga-adị ihe dị ka ahọ 9. Ị ma na ọ chọrọ onye ọzọ nọ. Ọ batakwa abatafụ ada anyị nwaanyị, ihe ọ fụrụ amasị ya, mana ọ chọrọ onye ọzọ nụrụ. Si na ihe so n'ihe o ji bata ịchọ nwaanyị bụ ka nwaada masị Igbo. Ọsọkwa iri adịkiri ụzọ mbi ma iru ma nke ihe ma iru adaka, mana ọ masị Igbo n'onye ọchọ wee nụrụ onye ọzọ. So n'ekeresimesi a ga-asị gị, nne kedu aha gị? Na vidio ụbọchị tata ọ bụgodi okwu ise ka ịmụta, ọ dị m mma. Vidio tata ọ bụgodi okwu ise ka ịmụta na vidio taa, ọ dị m mma. A ga-ajụ gị kedu aha gị? Nne kedu aha gị? Ọmarịcha nwa, ọmarịcha bekee, kedu aha gị? Isi nakwa nwoke abịakwa ịnwa m, ọma na mma nka. This man wants to try me, doesn't I know this one? Aha m bụ Chioma. Ọsị n'isi ya uche, ọsị oke onye nke asụkwa na njụkanye ọzọ. Nne Igbo onye obodo ebe ka isi? Nke nwaanyị asị n'ime obi ya, onye a na-anwa m, ọma na m kwadoro akwado na m amụtachanye Igbo. Abụ m onye Anambra steeti, onye njikọ ọka local gọọmenti na Anambra steeti. Nwoke asị it is finished. Ebe a ka m ga-egbu, it is finished. Ọ jụkwa gị ebe ka isi bata? Maka everybody came back, onye ọbụla natara nata for Christmas. So for Christmas ebe ka isi bata? Esi m US, ma esi m UK bata. Ala agba ya, ada anyị nwaanyị a mara mma ụta si UK bata, si US bata, Igbo na-apụ ya n'ọnụ ụta. Nne, will you be my wife? I know. Nne, ị ga-anụ m? Una futubere ebe propose mmadụ na main road. Una futubere ebe propose mmadụ, you not see where they propose somebody on the road. Kedu aha gị? Aha m bụ Chioma. Kedu ebe isi? Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Abụ m onye Enugu Ukwu na njikọ ka local gọọmenti Anambra steeti. Ebe kwanụ ka isi bata? Esi m US, esi m UK, ebe ọ nọsọsịkwa gị si n'isi wee bata. kedu ife ndị like gasị, kedu ife ndị na-amasị gị, kedu ife ndị na-amasị gị, means what and what do you like. Ikwubezikwa ihe ndị na-amasị m bụ 1 2 3 4 ịkpọsịsịbara ya. Ihe ndị na-adịghị amasị m ịkpọsịsịrị ya. Na mbosi izizi ahụ n'ụfọ ọma njụba gị arọ ole ka ịdị, nwere ike ọjụkwa gị mana ọjụọ gị arọ ole ka ịdị, isikwa ya na ịdị 112, isikwa ya na ịdị 24, isi ya na ịdị 31. Mana obi ga-adị ya nwere ịzagodi ụmụ ndị nke ịza ọ dịbazikwa ọ na-asụzi ị na-aza befe ịmara ya tupu ịmara ya ọsụma ma oyibo. Ọ bụrụ na ihe o ji wee sụalụ gị Igbo bụ ka ọ mara kpaka ịmakwa ihe a na-akọ. So thank you guys for watching. This brings me to the end of this video. I know that you have learned, at least you have learned what is your name, where are you from, which village are you from, how old are you. It's okay for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Turn on the bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. And please guys, if you want to see more of this video and more of this setting, because this setting is very relaxing, very calm. If you want to see more of this setting and more of this calm lesson, please put down in the comment section and I'll be right back. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.
Hi beautiful Igbotic nonos, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be learning sentences in Igbo language, sentences that are most frequently used. Let's begin. Kedu ihe ifuru? 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 What did you say? Echegbula onwe gị. Echegbula onwe gị. Echegbula onwe gị. Echegbula onwe gị. Don't worry. Ekwetaghị m. Ekwetaghị m. Ekwetaghị m. Ekwetaghị m. Ekwetaghị m. Ekwetaghị m. I don't agree. Ị wetere ya? 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 Did you get it? Mee ihe nna ekwu. 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 Do as I said. Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Ije ọma. Have a good trip. Guys, please, if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you don't forget. Please, please, please. Just click on the red button there and subscribe so you don't forget, because I know most times you forget. Let's continue. Kedu ihe ị chọrọ? 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 What do you want?
Biko bịa ozugbo ị nwere ike. 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 Please come as soon as possible. Ana m atụ anya. 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 I hope so. Ị ghọtara m? 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 Do you understand me? Kedu nọmba ekwentị gị? 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 What is your phone number? Kpọọ m ụbọchị ọbụla. 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 Call me anytime. Enwere m mmasị ebe ị nọ. 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 I admire you. Enwere m ike inyere gị aka. 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 Can I help you? Kedu ihe ị chọrọ ime? 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 What do you want to do? Guys, please, if you watched to this point, please don't forget to subscribe. Please just click on the subscribe button there and also the bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a new video. On this channel, I do so many other things that I bring in between the lessons so that the channel will be, you know, vibey and not all full of lesson all the time. Let's continue. Ajụrụ m nke ahụ. 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 I decline that one. I don't agree with that one. I refuse with that one. Ajụrụ m nke ahụ. Ị na-egbu oge m. 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 You are wasting my time. O nwere ihe ị chọrọ? 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 Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Do you want anything? Ebee ka ị na-aga? 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 Where are you going to? Enwere m olileanya na ị ghọtara. 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 I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Enwere m olileanya na ị ghọtara. Emegharịla. 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 Don't move. It means don't move. I can also say emegharịla arụ. Emegharịla arụ. Emegharịla ahụ. Emegharịla ahụ. Don't move your body. Don't move your body. Ike gwụrụ m. 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 I'm tired. Ọrụ m doro m anya. 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 I am good at my work. Emezina ka nwata. 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 Stop behaving like a child. Stop behaving like a child. Emezina ka nwata. Now, you will start to repeat everything I have said now, every sentence I have made now. You start to repeat it one after the other, at your time, at your leisure time. Remember to save this video in your watch letter and visit it consistently. The reason I said you should save it in your watch letter is because it's easier for you to go to your YouTube and straight to your watch letter and play the video again. You can also put on your earpiece and listen to this video and listen to these sentences while you do your house chores. You must not be looking at my face. I repeated it, I repeated it, I repeated it, so that you can sync it with your own. Remember, if you don't sync with mine, as I say, you may find it a little difficult, just a little. It's better to sync, as I say. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'll see you in my next video. To have a lovely day. Bye.
Present tense in Igbo language is ugbua. Ugbua. Present tense ugbua. Present ugbua. Ugbua. Present ugbua. Past tense gara aga. Gara aga. Gara aga. Gara aga. Future tense ọdịnihu. Future tense ọdịnihu. We're going to be taking it one after the other. We're going to take the present tense first. I'm going to take the past tense second. I'm going to take the future tense last one. But before we dive into the video, I want to identify something. Yesterday in Igbo language is ụnyaahụ. Yesterday, ụnyaahụ. Yesterday, ụnyaahụ. Yesterday, ụnyaahụ. Tomorrow, echi. Tomorrow, echi. Tomorrow, echi. Tomorrow, echi. Today, tata. Today, tata. Today, tata. Last year, afọ gara aga. 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 Next year, afọ ọzọ. Next year, afọ ọzọ. Next year, afọ ọzọ. Last 2 years, afọ abụọ gara aga. Last 2 years, afọ abụọ gara aga. Even if it's last 10 years, afọ iri gara aga. If you want to learn 1 to 10, 10 to 100, it's down in my channel as well. Okay? So now you have known this. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, last year, last 2 years, next year. Now we're going to go into today's video. I said the other one because it has link with today, yesterday, tomorrow. It's like present, past, future tense. Do you understand? So I want to identify what these phrases, words are first before we dive into today's video. If you're new to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe. And if you have OG, thank you for watching my video. You have a very special place in my heart. Please guys, when you like my video, it helps YouTube to recommend it to a wider range of people. Please subscribe so that people can join this community, because if you want to learn Igbo language, this is the best place for you, because I drop video every blessed day. Go to my channel, feel free. If you stay on this channel for 1 hour seeing different videos, trust me, you'll be very good at Igbo language, which is the reason why you're here. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Guys, present tense in Igbo language is very simple. In present tense, you say obi na eriji. In past tense, obi eriji. You see that na makes it a present tense, but in past tense we have removed that na. It's no longer there. So the next sentence here is Hana esinri. Present tense. Hasiri nri. Past tense. They are making food. They have made food. They are making food. They are cooking food, and they have cooked food. Another one here is present tense. Ega agahia. Ega agahia. Ega agahia. Past tense. Hagara ahia. Hagara ahia. They went to market. Present tense. Ega agahia. Are you going to the market? Ada na agba egwu. Ada na agba egwu. Present tense. Ada is dancing. Past tense. Ada gbara egwu. Ada gbara egwu. Ada danced. Ada danced. Ada gbara egwu. Yes. Of course, you know what you use in knowing past tense in English. Idi. Ada danced. Anyị na-ege ntị.
Anyị na-ege ntị. We are listening. Anyị na-ege ntị. We are listening. Present tense. Anyị gere ntị. We listened. Past tense. We listened. Past tense. Anyị gere ntị. Anyị na-ege ntị. Present tense. We are listening. Anyị gere ntị. We listened. Ha na-agba egwu. Present tense. They are dancing. Ha gbara egwu. Past tense. They danced. Ha na-agba egwu. Present tense. Ha gbara egwu. Past tense. They danced. Ha na-agba egwu. Present tense. They are dancing. Ha gbara egwu. Past tense. They danced. Obi na-etinye nnu na ite. Present tense. Obi etinyere nnu na ite. Past tense. Obi na-etinye nnu na ite. Present tense. Obi etinyela nnu na ite. Past tense. Obi na-etinye nnu na ite. Present tense. Obi etinyere nnu na ite. Past tense. You understand? If you check the similarities, if you capture one thing that identifies is present, it's mostly na in the sentence that identifies it as what is happening presently. And when in past tense, we remove that na. Obi na-etinye nnu na ite. Obi etinyere nnu na ite. Ha na-asa akwa. They are washing clothes. Anyị sara akwa. We washed clothes. Ha na-asa akwa. They are washing clothes. Anyị sara akwa. They washed clothes. Ha na-asa akwa. They are washing clothes. Anyị sara akwa. They washed clothes. So that is basically what it means. Okay? And now we have simply, deduced the present tense in Igbo language and the past tense in Igbo language. Now we're going to the future tense. Of course, I'm going to use likely sentences that I used in present, the past, so that you'll be able to relate or differentiate or know the similarities and the differences in it. That is why I'm not going to use sentences that are far from what we're really using as an example. And future tense is ordinary. What you're still going to do. It can be tomorrow you're going to do it. It can be next tomorrow. That is why we said ordinary. Ihu is front in Igbo. Ordinary, future tense. And of course, the examples as follows as well. Remember, when we said present tense, we said obi na eriji. And in the past tense, we said obi eriji. And now, the future tense, we're going to say obi ga eriji. Obi is not eating yam. Obi is going to eat yam. Obi is going to eat yam. Obi is going to eat yam tomorrow. It can be next tomorrow. Obi is going to eat yam. Obi ga eriji. Obi ga eriji. Yes. Ada ga agba egwu. Ada is going to dance. Remember in the present tense I said Ada na agba egwu. Ada is dancing. And in the past tense I said Ada gbara egwu. Ada has danced. But now in the future tense, which is ordinary, we say Ada ga agba egwu. Ada is going to dance. We don't know when Ada will dance. Maybe Ada will dance next tomorrow, or even next, future 5 hours time, Ada will dance. And next one is Ị ga-aga ahịa echi. Ị ga-aga ahịa echi. Are you going to the market tomorrow? Are you going to the market tomorrow? Ị ga-aga ahịa echi. If you check the present tense and the past tense, you see where I use this particular sentence in making examples, so you know the differences, okay? And of course, another one is Unu aga-agba egwu. Unu aga-agba egwu. Unu aga-agba egwu. Are you going to dance? Are you guys going to dance? Another one is ha ga-esi nri. Ha ga-esi nri. They are going to cook. We don't know when they're going to cook. We don't know if it's tomorrow or next tomorrow, or if we know is that they are going to cook, definitely. Anyị ga-ege ntị. We are going to listen. Tell us the story. We are going to listen. Anyị ga-ege ntị. We are going to listen. We definitely tell the story or when you're about to start the class. You have not started. It's future. It could be tomorrow, it can be next tomorrow, it can be next month. But what we know is that we are going to listen. And the last here is we are going to play. We have not started playing. We are going to play. We are planning to go play. That is why it's future. Or the new what you are still trying to do, what you're intending to do, you have not done it yet. Ayega egu egu. Ayega egu egu. Thank you guys for watching. In my next video, I'm going to bring in negative commands in Igbo language. Expecting that video, okay? Negative command. I've already put down the topic here. I'm going to bring up the video by next week. Negative command in Igbo language. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please support to do so. Give this video a thumbs up. We give this video a like, guys. It helps YouTube to, of course, to show it to a wide range of people. Put a comment down in the comment section. Share this video as well so people can see that this channel will ever on this channel I teach Igbo on a daily basis. So if you want to learn Igbo language, I don't know the best place for you to learn this Igbo language if it's not here, because I shoot video every day. Who is doing it? Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. You have a wonderful day. Bye.
Hi, it's IGBOTIC. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, today's video on the same day. I had so many videos shot today. Yes, this is not the first video I'm shooting. That's why you might be seeing me with almost the same makeup, the same earring, the same outfit. Yeah, it is what it is. My kids are in school now, and that is why I had this chance to film this video. This is just like a chit chat video. Yeah, some of you have asked me how I try to be consistent and all. See, consistency is not a joke. Even if I tell you how to be consistent and you are not ready to be consistent, you cannot be consistent. That is just it. Consistency is the thing of mind. With what I'm about to tell you guys, what I'm about to share with you guys now, consistency is also about the thing of the mind. But I don't mind. I'm going to tell you guys how I try to be consistent, how and what I'm doing that helps me to be consistent, because I know most of you, and some of you are asked already, some of you that are not asked already is wondering. Okay, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please try to do so. Give my videos massive thumbs up. When you do that, YouTube recommends it to people. Please comment, put comments in the comment section. Let's just make this channel very interactive, please. Okay, yes, so back to consistency and how I try to be consistent. Yes, see, I've mentioned not more than once that YouTube is not for the weak. Yes, I'll explain myself. YouTube is not for the weak. If you're not the type that loves to create content, you cannot strive in YouTube environment. You cannot strive in YouTube field. Yes, making money on YouTube is one of the reasons everybody tends to open a YouTube channel, right? Yes, they say, but from what I know, my philosophy is different from that. I will say YouTube channel is a platform to make money, but you will love to create content. I don't know if I'm making sense. You should be the type that loves to create content before you start thinking about the money you're going to make on YouTube, because it's when you're consistent in creating content that is when people will subscribe to your channel. That is when your channel will be recognized or be seen by the YouTube algorithm, and they push your video to that spot where they push people's video that doesn't come back and they start going. They say it's only one video that can change your life. It's only one video that can change your channel. This is what every big YouTuber has been saying. That is one video that changed their life. So if your whole motive is to come into YouTube and start creating videos and start making money, sorry girl, you're gonna be disappointed. You're gonna be very, very disappointed. Trust me, you're gonna be very, very disappointed. So I will say right now,
If you want to open up a YouTube channel and you don't love to create content, you don't love to share, please don't disturb yourself. Don't open a channel. It's not for you. Now, back to being consistent and how I'm able to be consistent. I'll just break it into words. I'm able to be consistent because I love to create content. That is the only thing that motivates me to create the content, because I love to create content. Is my hard work paying me off on YouTube channel? No. I work more than my achievements. If you check as at now I'm making this video, I have 468 subscribers as I'm making this video, but I have made over 148 videos. I know some people who have made only 20 videos, 15 videos, and they have over 2,000, 5,000 subscribers, and their views are running to 17, 18, 20,000 views. But I bring content to your doorstep. I create quality videos. I do quality editing. I use my subtitles because I teach Igbo. It's stressful if you don't know, because I have to type in Igbo and type in English as well. It's not your regular video that you just speak your grammar, edit and go. No. But I go through all those things. At the end of the time, I just be having 1 view, 2 view, 3 view, and sometimes even, I think the highest view I've had of posting is how many views. But I still keep going because I love to create content. Do you see where I'm driving? So even when I see those performances and it's not doing well, but when it gets, when I want to video, I'll just say, let me do it. I want to see myself on camera. I enjoy to see myself on camera. Let me just go ahead. That is the motivation. Loving how to create, loving to create content. Being the type that loves to create content is the motivation and not the making the money. If it's making the money, you get frustrated and you stop and you quit. And the other one is how I'm able to be consistent. I'm able to be consistent because before I was making my videos every Sundays and my kids were around. I make my videos every Sundays and my kids are around. Trust me, I don't achieve videos. I might want to make 2 videos. I end up doing 1 because they're disturbing. The dad is around. I started doing videos on Sunday because I feel my husband is in the house and he's gonna be with kids and I make video. But these kids don't want to be with him, they want to be with me. So how will I make video? So now I made my Mondays video days. I leave everything I'm supposed to do on Mondays and just make it shooting day. So now, because I've made that Monday a shooting day, I try to make my notes between Saturday and Sunday to make my notes that I'm going to shoot for the week. So on that Monday, I dress up and I shoot about, I shoot many content. That's why you see most of my videos that comes out week by week is as if I'm wearing one clothes. That is because I've done my research, I've made my notes. I have my notes. See, I have my notes, guys. This is not a joking thing. I have my notes. This is very serious. I have my notes. It's very serious. So I'm serious for you guys. You should be serious with me as well. And your seriousness is watching my video, sharing it and subscribing. That is the way I will see your seriousness for me. Because I'm serious for you guys. I'm all out. So I make my notes. Yes, because teachers in school also make their notes, so do not forget. Yes, so I make my notes and I shoot my videos on Monday. Then I shoot everything I need to shoot. This is how I manage to be consistent. But remember, it's not, I said it now, it sounds like it's easy. I am saying it sounds like it's easy. It's not easy. If you don't like creating content and if you've not told yourself that I want to do this, despite the stress, despite the hard work around it, you can't still do it because it's not, I said it is simple to you because you're listening, but when you start it, you can't go because it's not easy. That is just practically it. But I just tell myself, people that go to work from Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening, and get paid at the end of the month, why not just I just turn this one to my work as well, shoot my videos every day or every other day, then show up every day on this channel. That is my motivation. And after this January, because I've been consistent for how long now, every day I post videos on this channel, at least I can say over 3 months plus, I post video every day back to back. If you're my regular person on this channel, you know I post video every day back to back. So please, if you've watched to this point, please subscribe so you don't forget, okay? So consistency is the thing of the mind, and it's when you tell yourself you're ready against all odds. Even when you're seeing it's stressing you, you're still pushing. That is consistency, and that's what has been motivating me, okay? So I hope this answers the question of some people who are telling me, girl, you show up all the time. How do you do this? This is how I do it, okay? And just like Vlogmas is finally over. Yes, finally over. Vlogmas, that was the month of December. I didn't label my videos Vlogmas because I've always been consistent. And why am I saying my video is a Vlogmas? I've been showing up every day, even before December. I post videos every day, so I didn't see any need of labeling my video Vlogmas, because Vlogmas basically means posting video every blessed day, and that is what I've been doing way before Vlogmas. And even now in January, it's not even Vlogmas, but I'm still doing Vlogmas. So that is it. Winning is all we're looking for. Win and help other people win, okay? But no, on this YouTube community, nobody helps people to win. People feel, okay, if the person not your family member that has blown, like Nelo KK, that has helped the family members to blow on YouTube. So Somi that Shades of Somi just came out the other day, and it was through Nelo that we met her, and people loved her and subscribed to her channel. Yeah, she might think she's doing her content because people love her, according to her word, but I still feel it was the influence of her sister that kind of opened that door. Do you understand? So it's always good to have a godfather on this community, but people think it's only when they know you personally they can help you. A regular person can't just take your video, and the regular person that is big on YouTube can't just take your video and shoot and post it on their community for the subscribers to see if it's what they love. No, they don't do it. And even when you ask them or send email to them, they start telling you that when I was in the streets, nobody helped me, I did it myself. And so today, tomorrow, if I blow on this channel, see, I promise you guys, at least every week I'll be turning up with small YouTubers that I know that are consistent, that are doing well like me. I'll be turning up their channel on my community when my channel blows, because there's nothing there. It's selfless. It's kind of thing I can do. If I blow up on YouTube tomorrow, on my community, I'll be sharing videos of small YouTubers that I know that are very active and they are doing what I like, irrespective of family member, anything. But our big YouTubers find it difficult to do, and when you ask them to do it for you, they would start telling you, they'll not even reply the email, or they will tell you, or they'll even come out and do videos like, why are you telling me to push you, why are you telling me to put you on my account? Nobody did it for me. But you forget that sometimes you are uplifted to uplift others. You're uplifted to lift others. We rise by rising others. We win by winning with others. So let's just forget about that one, okay? Next thing I need to talk about here is, I've spoken about how to be consistent, I've spoken about consistency, I've spoken about winning, I've spoken about Vlogmas, okay? I think what else do I want to talk on this video? Being a mom and having patience with children. Being a mom has taught me so many things, and I'm still learning in the process as well. Yes, having patience with kids. Kids. If you don't have patience, go and borrow it. Yes, go and borrow it, because especially when they get to that stage that they already know how to talk, but the only thing that they say is no. Anything you tell them is no. Come and remove your diaper, no. Come and change your clothes, no. Stop eating on that TV, no. Stop jumping on chair, no. Stop jumping on table, no. Stop beating your brother, no. Every single word you say is no. So trust me, guys,
We're still learning and we're still on the process. And if your mom here, you're battling decepted, it's a journey, it's a process. Our mothers tell us they grow over it, but we are not seeing them growing over it. But it's okay. So that is just it, guys. I think this video, yeah, this video is chit chat, is all over the place. That is the reason why it's chit chat. Sometimes to bring this kind of videos to your doorstep as well, okay? Yes, because aside from teaching Igbo, we also have things we like to talk about. So guys, thank you. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider to do so. If you're subscribed already, please share my videos to other people that might want to be friends with me or want to know me on this channel as well. Please guys, share my video as well, okay? See, I love you guys commenting on my video and giving it a thumbs up, because I don't have godfather in YouTube community. You are my godfather. When you subscribe to my channel and you give my video a thumbs up, YouTube algorithm, they say, I don't know, will recognize my channel and push me. So all of you are my godfathers. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. Hi, this is Learn Igbo now on IGBOTIC. No. And in today's video, the Igbo language or the Igbo phrase or whatever you want to say that we're learning today is kola nut. Kola nut, oji in Igbo. What is Igbo without hearing about this kola or without hearing about this oji? Today, you're going to be learning the things that are around this kola nut that you always see people hold oji in the village, and when they want to divide it and they want to share and they want to, eat even before they start eating other food or before they start drinking other drink. Do you understand? We're going to be explaining that in this very video, okay? I'll be saying most of them in Igbo, but sure to be reading my subtitle or be reading what I am saying in my mouth to, to equate it with the subtitle so you can enjoy the video more, because I want to go down natively, that is speaking Igbo in most of the things I'm going to say today. I have my note down already. I might be looking this way, please don't be distracted. I'm still going to be looking at you guys, but that is because I have made my notes already so that way I can pick important things and not coming and talking gibberish. Okay, ojidi okemba na emenala ndi Igbo. Kola nut is very important in Igbo tradition. It has been in the days of our forefathers. It is before, then, and up till now, and it will still even continue to be so, even in the next generation. That's when you and I are no longer on the surface of this earth, when we're 100 and something years that we have left the surface of this earth. That is how kola nut will still remain, okay? Oji bu ihe izizi ana-enye onye ọbịa. Oji bu ihe izizi ana-enye onye ọbịa ma ọ bụ na nzukọ ọbụla dị oke mkpa. Oji bụ ihe izizi a na-enye onye ọbịa ma ọ bụ na nzukọ ọbụla dị oke mkpa. Kola nut is the first thing they offer to a visitor if he comes to a gathering or a meeting that is very important. Yes, I just want to put it this way. That is not to say if you're a very typical Igbo practicing family, even without that meeting being very important, giving a kola nut is also what is very often done without even the meeting being so important. But I just want to generalize it this way. Oji bụ ihe izizi a na-enye ma bịa na mgbakọ ọzụkọ ọbụla dị oke mkpa. Do you understand? That is to tell you how important this kola nut is to Igbo and Igbo tradition and Igbo culture. Okay? Now, after then, that they brought the kola nut to, the important meeting or anything, they must pray over the kola nut, they must wash it, pray over the kola nut, divide it, share it, and people will eat before they start the meeting. N'ime nzukọ ahụ, a ga-ekpekwasịrị ekpere gọọ ọfọ n'elu ọjị a, waa ya, kee ya, ndị mmadụ ata tupu a wee bido ihe eji maka ya wee bịa na ụbọchị nke mbọsa ihe eji maka ya wee bịa that very time. Whatever reason it is that they gathered because of it on that very day, they must eat this kola nut, wash it, divide it, share it, and eat it before the meeting will begin. It is what it is. Okay? This kola nut is only prayed over in Igbo language. Do you understand? Ana gozi
kola nut a na-agọzi ọjị n'asụsụ Igbo. There's nothing like you don't speak Igbo. Because you don't speak Igbo, now come and bless a kola nut with English. No, it's a no. Like, it's a no. You must bless kola nut in Igbo language. A na-agọzi lili ọjị n'asụsụ Igbo. That is what it is, okay? It's a must. They usually say that the kola nut does not know how to speak English. Ana asina ọjị amaghị asụ Oyibo. The kola nut does not know how to speak what? English. Most times it's the men that cut the kola nut. Naanị ụmụnwoke na-awa ọjị. Naanị ụmụnwoke na-awa ọjị. Nwoke ọbụla, be it small, even if the boy is 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, so long as a boy, he can, cut the kola nuts. He can pray over the kola nuts. Naanị nwoke na-awa ọjị n'omenala ndị Igbo. Some women that has chieftaincy title, and there's a specialized chieftaincy title of that woman that can cut kola nuts. They call it Omu. Omu is a title, and it's not given to every woman. I think you must be deity cancelled or something, I don't know, before you can get that chieftaincy title Omu. And it's only that part of woman that has chieftaincy title Omu that can cut the kola nut. If not, it's only man that cuts kola nut or that prays over the kola nut. And in this gathering, it must be the eldest person that will pray over this kola nut. Abano mbaka anụwa, okenye ọbụla kachacha wee mee okenye, onye ọbụla kacha wee mee okenye bụ onye na-awa ọjị. In that gathering, any person that is the eldest man is the person that will cut that kola nut. You can't have 90 years old man there and give 70 years old person to cut kola nut. No, you must give it to that 90 years old man to cut kola nut. Number ọbụla, onye ọbụla bụ okenye kachasị bụ ihe na-awa ọjị. In the gathering, the eldest person amongst the men is the person that will cut the kola nut. With your respect. Okay, in some cases that the kola nut is not available, most times they use garden egg in place of this kola nut or anything that is edible to replace this kola nut, but preferably the kola nut. Number ọbụla dị oke mkpa, ọ bụrụ na ọjị adịrị, a na-ejikwa ihe dịka anyara, aga ọfụ, a na-eji awa ọjị maọkwa ihe ọbụla na-ata ata, mana nke kasị mkpa bụ ọjị ahụ bụ nke kasị mkpa iji wee bido wee nabatawa ndị ọbịa. Traditional marriage, you must have kola nuts. If it's not gonna travel far wide, you can get it there. So it depends. But if you're in abroad, if you're in some situations that there is no place to run to go and get this kola nut, or the kola nut that's finished in the whole world, maybe you can improvise with anyara. It's also, it's also relatively to kola nut. Do you understand? And any kola nut, any gathering that is used kola nut to begin and pray over, that gathering always is always successful, and each of the person there always gets good deeds before leaving there. Good deeds that you cannot even see, but it is believed that everything has come in grace and everybody will live here in grace. Do you understand? It's believed that the occasion has started peacefully and the occasion will end peacefully. Do you understand? So that's kola nut, that origin compasses of so many things. Do you understand? Ana awa a na-ekpere Chineke na ndị nna nna anyị ekpere. A na-awa ọjị a na-ekpere Chineke na ndị nna nna anyị ekpere. When they are cutting this kola nut, they are praying to God and they are praying to our forefathers. Do you understand? If not for the world right now, people that cut kola nuts, their hands are usually very clean. Do you understand? I think if you're an elder that is very Igbo will say arurana, that is wicked, I think you might be you might not want to be in a gathering earlier enough when they have not cut kola nut, because it's as if you're soiling your hand. Not now that things are spoiled. You see, even the native youth are going to church to receive Holy Communion and they think nothing will happen to them. Do you understand? So that is justice. When they are blessing this kola nut, they are praying to God. They are praying to God, Chukwu Abia Mokike, and they are praying to our forefathers as well. Okay, good prayers. Ofo. good prayers, when they are saying good things on your head, emphasizing good things on your head, you understand? Or 4. You can also eat the orji with ose orji. Ose orji is granite paste. You know that granite paste that the white people will say is peanut butter. Do you understand? It's ose orji, but this time we don't refine it and put in the container. But even that one we make locally is a bit sweeter than the regular one that they sell abroad, and they package it and call it peanut butter. Okay. So guys, I hope after watching this video you're able to understand the reason why Igbo people have this love around kola nuts. That is orji. We have so much love around it. It has been within our forefathers before, now, and it's still going to be from generation to generation. It is what it is. You can't be having a traditional marriage or a chief title, or even gathering with the cabinets and the chiefs and whatever you call it, without having this kola nut down available. It must be available. When I say improvising with anyara, that's cutting egg. It's, I don't know, it can be in a very rare occasions where you can't find kola nuts, and I don't know, maybe you guys are not even in Nigeria. I don't know that the instances that that may occur, but it's very rare. But if it occurs, it can be an improvised method. Do you understand? Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share this video as well, and I'll see you in my next video. To have a wonderful day. Bye.